Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our rear brake backing plate for the 58 through 65 Cushman Eagles. The rear backing plates on the Cushman Eagles were susceptible to bending if the anchor bolt or the heel pin was loose when the brakes were applied. This misalignment can prevent the brakes from working properly, leading to vibrations and reduced braking efficiency. Until now, finding good straight backing plates for your classic Cushman was very difficult. However, with the availability of our new reproduction backing plates, repairing your classic Eagle brake system just got a little easier. Our backing plates are a direct replacement for the 1960 through 65 Eagles, but they can also be used on the 1958 and 59s if you use the 60 through 65 brake cam. Stamped with precision tooling from high-quality steel, our backing plates will ensure easy installation and superior braking performance. They include the brake cam bushing pre-installed and are clear zinc plated for long-lasting corrosion resistance. So don't fight a rusted or warped rear backing plate. Buy a new one from Dennis Carpenter and make your brake job just that much easier. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Cushman at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.